Bruh, is it recording? Oh, it's recording. What's up, YouTube? Okay, so I said that I forgot that I said that I was gonna vlog me buying a car. So that's the first stuff for my birthday. Today is December, like the 19th, I think, is one of these days. Today's December 19th, and my birthday is January 5th, but I always buy my car in December. Usually I buy my cars in December because I'm not here on January 5th. Understand that. So January 5th, I'm gonna be out of town. I'm gonna be out the country. So today I gotta buy my car today. The thing is, if I get the car I want, or at least one of the cars on my list, then I'll keep this vlog. Skin look good. I don't know. My hair look messed up, but skin look good. But anyways, if I get the car that I want, or one of the cars that's on the list, then I'll put this video in the vlog. If not, if I don't get the car I want, or if they don't have what I really want, and I just end up getting something because I need a car desperately. So it don't matter what I get, but let's just hope I'll get something that I want. If I get what I want, then this vlog will end up in this part will end up in the vlog. Next week, my hair's messed up today. Nails not done. Lashes not done. But I get everything done next week because my photo shoot is next week, and I'm going to take y'all with me. So this vlog going to be a little choppy. And I don't like them little extra long vlogs, like them 30-minute vlogs. Like, I'm not doing all that. I'm not going to lie. Y'all might get a cool 10 minutes out of me. Not going to lie. Maybe 10 minutes. Might even be 8. But I'm waiting on my Benz truck to come get me. Yeah, my black Benz truck. I'm waiting on my black Benz truck to come get me so I can go to the dealership. It's a little cold out here. I probably should put on an undershirt or something. Maybe a little white tee underneath, but yeah. Why no cars honk their horn when they drove past me? Her bitch don't look good or something, like the fuck. By the way, I didn't get the car. I did not get the car because why the salesman tried to why he was trying to sell me a car. Whoa, excuse me. He tried to why he was trying to sell me a car and didn't even sell me the car. I said, how are you gonna pull this and you didn't even sell me the car, gang? He's talking about something, so if I would have sold you the car, you would have did it. I mean, you would have had a better chance. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying yeah, but you literally would have had a better chance. That threw me off. You didn't even sell me the car. Like, what is wrong? I should report him. What do you mean? Oh, he pulled to first, bro. First of all, the car, I thought this was like a test drive car that I was riding in. I thought it was a test drive car. He pulls to the back of a hotel. To be honest, I really thought he was gonna take me to get something to eat. Dead ass. You know, I love to eat. So I'm thinking we finna go get something to eat. He pulls in the back of a hotel parking lot and say, come here. Come here. I don't know why men love picking me up and placing me on their lap and like holding me as if I'm 5. That's what he decided to do. On the clock. Whoa. Where's the manager? You do this often, huh? Those are my cigarettes that I had in my photo shoot. Fake glass. I'm about to throw this away because I don't want to give nobody the wrong impression. This was for props only. So my shoot was a success. I haven't seen like the photos yet. He's gonna send them today. But a problem with my photo shoot was that my leotard was a little too big. So I know some of the pictures is going to be a little like this right here. It was a little too big, so I know that some of my pictures are going to have it where it's very like baggy. I'm hoping he's able to edit it, or I'm hoping I got some that didn't look too baggy. But originally I was going to get curled hair, but I always get curled hair in every photo shoot. I always curl my hair. And then number two, I was running late to my makeup appointment, so I just had to do something. So she just straightened it. She just straightened it. Something new. I don't like myself with straight hair, but it would just have to do. If my pictures didn't eat, then it's okay. I eat 2 bitches up regularly. Like I do this often. I do this on a regular, so. You know, like, I know they're gonna look good, but I literally eat 2 bitches up, like, all the time. So I can give you girls a break for once. I'll give y'all a break for once. But my photographer was awesome. He was coolest. I would definitely be working with him again in the future. But, so tell me why, unfortunately today, I had to rent a U-Haul. No, I rented a U-Haul yesterday because I'm underage and can't rent a car unless I pay a young driver's fee, which is an extra $60 a day, which doesn't make sense because I'm still driving the car. I'm still driving the car. Me paying $60 doesn't mean anything. Like, it's not covering anything. Can I drive the car or not? Why y'all have to make me pay $60 extra? I'm not doing that shit. Not when U-Haul want $19.95. No ma'am. So I ended up renting a U-Haul so I could run errands. But yeah, so next clip, 9 times out of 10 y'all gonna see me at the airport. That's that, guys. See you at the airport.
What time do we board? What time do we board? The flight leaves at 8:10, so that means we gotta board around like 7:30. Yeah, look what time it is. Where's this at?
So y'all, we at the party. We made it to the party, but we at the bar because we about to get us a shady.
Look like we ain't getting none though.
No shade.
Tell you. We on the trail. How I feel? We deserve something.
I should order a shot of
We haven't argued all year. We haven't had an argument all year. That's no way.
We must be maturing.
We must be maturing. So we fought out so fast. Cause we act too much alike. Like she do too much. She not going for no bullshit. I'm not going for no bullshit. So we just be like, okay, shit. The rest of y'all be going for bullshit. No shade. I was gonna say, I hope I have time to eat. Cause one thing about it, I'm gonna eat. The plane just gonna have to wait. And don't ask us what airline we flying. You bitches asking too much. Yeah, ask what. Y'all wanna get there or not? Thank you. This look like a good one. That's what I said. $40, they kick my head up. I'm trying to figure out why the flight says it's gonna take 2 hours. Girl, get me there. Fuck that bitch and stop playing. Put that bitch as turbo. Y'all, we done took these shots, man. We tore up already. In school, we tore up. They gotta stop doing this to me with these faces. We one shot. I feel like that was a double shot. That was a double shot. That shit was big as hell. I can't stand up this long. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm getting overstimulated. There's too much going on. Yeah, she said she got autism. I told them people I got autism, so hopefully that means they let me skip the line or something. What's my point? Because you know at Disney World, if you tell them you got a disability, they let you skip the line. Oh, we all have the same. Yeah, we all got autism. Yeah. Hey, shout out to G.O.D. Shout out to ALLH. Shout out to Big G.O.D.
Because first of all, number one, I was so concerned that my package, my clothes wasn't gonna get here. It came the day of. The day of, who you know? FedEx floated that motherfucker here. That shit wasn't supposed to be here till the 4th. That's number one. Number two, I was already late.
Keep up now.
Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me now. I was already late. God delayed my flight. I'm here.
2 times.
You said what?
Twice.
I'm here. Come on now. Come on now. You gonna tell that ain't? That's not God.
Big G.O.D.
Keep God in your life, man.
Fuck nigga.
What is taking so long to get us on the plane? Can they just open the door?
Like, for real, I'm gonna go talk to the pilot. People probably looking at this like,
These some drunk assholes. Where the hell they going?
Fort Lauderdale? Bitch, what? You bitch come for Miami for the extra $5?
I know she irritated as fuck.
I know they looking at this.
So we finna screen a lot. We finna drop our bags. This yours?
Yeah, they gonna
We finna drop the bag and we finna be like, long. We finna screen Allahu Akbar in the airport right now.
I'm not finished. What that mean in Christian?
Christian, that means God is great.
Okay, come on.
But then I'm saying it's fucked up though. Like, always saying is God is great.
For our bad drop.
I'm gonna drop the
No,
bag.
don't do that, bro. For real. Dead ass serious. Like, I'm gonna turn around on your ass. I don't know who the fuck that girl is. She by herself.
It's getting sticky. I got on Kari bonnet, so don't say nothing. I couldn't find my bonnet, but we had a layover. We at the layover. We leave for our cruise in the morning. She got pepperoni and ham. She got like triple pork. Mukbang. I really do be thirsty. Tastes a little burnt. Tastes a little burnt. But it was only $5. Y'all want a slice? Oh, you don't eat cheese? Damn. Okay, guys. We finna get ready. We finna get dressed. Get ready to go. I'm not finna get ready to do shit. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, shit. My waist at a 22, you bitches wish you could. Let me show y'all what I could do.
Bro, come on, man.
What, you done?
Imagine talking about me and I'm at home doing this.
Imagine talking about me and I'm at home doing this. To be honest, I really don't know why y'all bitches be wanting to argue with me, cause I literally have I'm mentally disabled. Why do y'all be trying to argue with me? Y'all not gonna win. I can do this all day. I'm not even on earth. Who are you arguing with? Y'all be letting me get y'all out of character.
My order do not work.
Y'all be letting me get y'all out of character, and I'm not even saying in the head. Are y'all okay? Are y'all here with it? About to take y'all on my morning routine. First, I like to start off with brushing my teeth. I do not use Crest, no shade, but that's all they had was Crest. I don't use Crest toothpaste. I hate getting ready, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I just wanna lay in my bed. I just wanna lay in my bed and rot. It girl didn't bring no floss. Ew. I love airplanes, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I think planes might be my new fascination that I just found out like yesterday. It's so cool. Now I got my travel size skin stuff. First, I use Clinique. I got an oily T-zone, so I use oily combination. I start off with my cleanser, then I do I use my exfoliator. This number 3, by the way. It goes by number. My exfoliator, then I use my serum, but I use the ordinary serum because I got large pores, I got oily skin. And then I moisturize my skin with this. So BRB.
Bodysuit, I don't know. Jewelry, Pandora, Michael Kors. Shoes, Tory Burch. Bag, Kurt Geiger. And ring, Pandora.
So I didn't have no flat irons. So skims, yeah. The whole set, not just the 2-piece you broke up. This the yo-yos. The yo-yo, oh shit. The yo-yos and the chain.
They don't even know all of this. They know they're very expensive.
Appreciate that.
People ain't got no pass. You can't even spell passport.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh my goodness.
Somebody got something.
We was walking down, that shit hit both of us at the same
At the
time.
same time, like, so we on the boat and
We was
it
coming
just
to our
pulled
room.
off. We couldn't wait for this month to pull off. Now we pulled off. Now we looking stupid.
We about to take
Now we need the motion sickness pills. Can I please have mine? I'm taking mine with no water. I never hear it. How many you supposed to have?
No water is crazy.
I be taking pills with no water when I really need them.
This shit making me
Like, feel drunk, but it's giving me
Yeah,
like,
it's
making
giving me dizzy,
Yeah, it's like
yeah.
dizzy.
Girl, I can't even open the shits. I ain't
Girl, I
playing
can't
though. I'm
do
gonna get these motherfuckers open, bro.
People was like, "Oh, you're not gonna be able to feel it." They lied. They lied. We felt it instantly.
one. Chew it. I was just playing.
Needed that. Needed that.
I'm ready to eat. I ain't gonna lie. Let's try something else to eat. You said free food? Oh yeah. Throw it all on the plate.
Oh, we don't.
Hey, it's the room over here.
That shit fast as fuck.
It's a little kid.
Bruh, stop doing it.
I didn't know you was recording.
To find the man with the bottles.
I mean,
Then go eat again.
you know,
and
I
then-
was gonna say you're not hungry.
Yeah.
I don't want a burger this time. I want
Yeah,
something else.
I'm burgered out.
Okay, so far I'm on my third burger, and then the buffet just opened up. So I just had some beef braised short ribs, and I just had some like some crawfish egg rolls type shit. It was straight. It was kind of hot, so I couldn't really not spicy, but like too like I couldn't. Yeah, I had to wait for it to cool down so I could really taste it. Well, I pretty much eat anything. I'm not gonna lie, especially if it's free. So we was just discussing how it ain't no fine, like no fine shit on the boat.
That's because the fines, they don't got no passport. No shade.
And then most of the niggas that look kind of good, what they do.
I know that's right. We looking for the white ends. We see nothing but sophisticated young men. And that's not the type. That's not the vibe we want for right now.
You know. Okay, tell them what we about to do.
So I'm assuming we taking a nap and going to the club after we wake up. All that beef I done put in my stomach is like weighing me down.
You can't eat beef.
I can't eat beef.
pork.
I'm saying beef is pretty heavy. And then most of the firms, like, they some little boys.
They young niggas.
Young, like not white ends, but young niggas. You looking for the white end. Just get my birthday over with, get Carly's birthday over with, so I can really lock in and do what I need to do. I'm ready to get to it. All right, y'all, so it's 9 a.m. We at the casino. What we feel like at 9 a.m.? But we finna try to do this. We finna try to do that because that's like the only thing I know how to play.
We in the casino, y'all. They ain't got Uno in it, big.
Right, they don't got Uno? Connect Four?
Hello, trouble.
So you gotta use strategy. Some of your plays, you gotta use it to move some money. So you can't just use all 5 of your plays just trying to get one little thing. It's not gonna work. I'm thinking.
But we here for a good
You wanna go first or what? Okay, talk your shit. So which one you going for? Cause we gotta have strategy.
Alright.
So which one you thinking? You thinking going for a little Hyundai or
Should I get
get this? Get that honey right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm feeling like.
You trying to get? Hold on. Okay. You trying to get that 100 right there, guys? You think you got it? I feel like you should go up a little bit more.
I only got 3 seconds, girl.
Oh, go drop it.
I'm pressing the wrong one.
Oh nah.
Oh,
Type shit.
I'm feeling like that 500 is like kind of by itself though, not gonna lie. Oh, the camera right there. I did not see the camera. I feel like that shit might be purposely off though.
Yeah.
Honey's not gonna be good.
You got 6 seconds left, boo. Fuck. You might got your little 100 though. Damn. I want to go for this 100 right here or this 250. What you feel like?
Where?
100 right there or 250?
I feel like the 250, like, that's too
I feel like we need something just
to push it. Yeah. But what's gonna push it though?
I'm hoping the cloud will just reach it. This our last one.
Oh, twin.
It's something about that 250 just itching. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Just give me that. Just.
I'm done with this game. How you feeling? Whatever, major loser.
We're eating breakfast. So last night we did not get up. Actually, we ended up falling asleep. We fell asleep and stayed asleep. Thank you. Bye. See you guys later. I'm not switching. Mine's he nice. He's respectful. Not my type. So, maybe, no, not like that. I'm saying like he's not my type in the face, but he's nice and respectful. I hang out with them just because we got nobody else to hang out with. But would I fuck them in real life? Absolutely not. Okay, so we at bingo.
Yep, that's it.
We playing bingo.
We finna win some money one way or another.
But I'm getting this game.
Maya from Cincinnati, Ohio. All right.
Okay. I'm a little drunk.
What color?
This bitch just won $700.
And what else?
She just won $700. The tickets wasn't even
We are
$700.
playing green. Have somebody at the end of this game come up to me. Danny, what do I do with this? I can't do nothing if you don't play the purple sheet, okay? You gotta play it. Ready? My friend over here wanted the purple sheet. Can you spell it very quickly before I hit start?
We playing bingo. We
Then come on,
playing
y'all gotta do
bingo.
this quickly.
If I win 5,000, how much you want, gang?
Because I know y'all
Look, if I win 5,000, you get 1,000. If
in
you
order
win 5,000, I
to
get 1,000.
walk away with a $5,000,
Type shit.
you have to
Type
cover your
shit.
card. And
I'm confused.
okay, in the meantime,
I need a little more
who won my
assistance.
Maya? You won my last game.
I'm a little lost on my.
Come on.
They, I got a
Can you
little.
just give him a hand there real quick so I can hit
I'm not
start?
understanding the
He's
instructions.
selling on purple. All right, so y'all ready for that first ball? Yeah. Okay, that first ball it is 073. 073, 073.
Uh-oh.
073, 073.
We got 2 down. Yeah, we got 2 073. We might get that 5K. We might just get the 5K.
073 and 43, and we're gonna keep it moving on to B3.
Wait, I gotta lock
B
in.
with a single number 3, B3.
Oh, I ain't got that one. I bet not have that one. Y'all know
Please make
that.
sure you have your free space number dogged as well, okay? B12.
Got that one.
B1,
Got that one.
B12.
Had 2 of them. Had 2 of them. 2 of them. 2 of them. 2 of them.
B1, 2. B1,
No cap.
5.
No cap. I might just be there.
Next 4 and then 5. How we looking up there?
Might just be
We're
there.
getting good balls. Other cards looking.
They look pretty good to me, gang.
Don't rip.
Feeling like Steph Curry.
Any Star Wars
Break
fans?
the
Like
yes.
Steph Curry.
5.
I do not got the attention span for this shit, man.
40, which and 3, 9 and 39.
We did not win bingo.
If it is a solo winner, they will be walking away with $1,410.
I'll take it. I just need 5 more. You got 3 more? Shit.
06706. T1. Oh my gosh, look at that. I think we got a bingo team.
I think we got 2. We got 2.
We got 2 bingos.
Whoa.
Okay, so let's see. We're gonna stop here
All right.
first.
Which one?
Let's see. Don't throw it away yet.
Man, I'm pissed off.
First.
So, I look so greasy. So, bingo over. We, in fact, did not win.
That shit so fucking gay, bro.
Somebody won. No, nobody won $5,000, but like 2-3 people won the $1,400. We got the vibes coming over.
They said they coming?
I don't know. I invited that nigga. We invited some niggas over. We not touching these niggas because these niggas not even our type. Understand that? Well, at least that nigga, he your type.
No. Wait, listen to these right here.
So we in the room waiting for these niggas. We in the room waiting for these young men to come in here.
These young men.
They text me, BRB.
What?
Oh, you just wanted me to come type shit?
No,
Nigga, you don't come or not. Like, you doing too much talking. The dude she got dark brown skin with dreads. The dude I got,
caramel.
the dude I got look Latino. Y'all know I don't even black man only. I like mine's fresh off the grill.
We got the same, like, I live with his bird.
He's who?
His bird.
Where y'all from? Y'all keep talking about.
His bird took me and my daddy took him.
Oh, y'all from St.
Who
Louis?
is your bird?
So how y'all get to Miami? Y'all flew?
Mom?
Bird is mom.
Oh.
No, we drove.
Y'all they drove to
Y'all
Miami.
drove to Miami?
We only
Yeah,
drove
we was
because
in
one
the-
nigga backed out, bro. We was finna argue.
He backed out the
fucking
day
tickets.
before, so we
The
would
day
have flown.
before?
Yes,
How long would y'all drive?
17 hours.
Shit.
It ain't never that serious. I would stay.
I would stay home.
It ain't. Y'all in school or no?
Hell no.
What college?
Oh, what y'all do for a living?
No shit, I work at the post
We
office.
go to college.
Post office.
But we don't
Where you work at?
That nigga said we go to.
I got my own company.
Okay.
My people.
So what's the best drink like y'all done had on the boat?
The first one we had. I don't know.
I
what it
can't
was
remember what it was
called.
called.
But it was
'Cause
at
we
the
just
bar
been
in the
getting
casino.
lemonade and Don the whole time.
God, we keep getting.
Where y'all get that
Tell y'all
from?
niggas young.
Want a drink?
That drink pack was $5.40 for 2 people.
$540.
$540.
Yeah, you gotta think about it. You getting 15 drinks a day for free. That's how we look today. Let's.
I don't even think I drink that much.
Nigga,
I'm
20
finna-
times 15.
I'm gonna say I don't even drink that much. Don't worry about it. I pay for it. So y'all, do y'all have high school diplomas? No shade.
Yeah.
What the fuck, Kyle?
Huh?
Alright, don't turn-
Dreads, I didn't hear you say yes or no.
Say yes to what?
Do you have a high school diploma?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
I'm saying, so what's your ethnicity?
Black, white, and Native American.
Native American.
So you black and white?
Yeah.
So tell me why these bitches want $15 for a 6-piece.
Starters, y'all, we just hungry. Like, we weren't asking. Like, we just hungry. We think we finna get 10 wings for $18.
Just common sense. No shade. No shade.
So it just dawned on us to ask how many wings we get.
We get 6 wings.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. This little Then we complained about the wing count. She talking about, oh, I'll throw an extra wing in there. It's 2 of us. No shade, it's 2 of us. I'm not gonna, yeah, that shit look nasty. That shit look nasty though. This shit hot. Nah, straight. Actually, I'm not gonna cap. No, we talk shit. No, we were talking shit.
Hold on. What that mean? Okay.
Okay. Excuse us.
We sorry.
Excuse us. We thought we tried to do a thing.
We trying to do a thing. They front on our ass, bitch. They showed us.
Alright. I ain't gonna lie, give them a little 8 out of 10.
That shit was mid.
I give them 4 out of 10.
Tell them enjoy the beach, the bar, the food truck, the dining.
Y'all, this our tour guide.
Say hey to the vlog, Daniel.
Hey! The doctor.
So hungry.
Oh man, tell me about it.
Yes.
What type of food y'all be eating out here?
Us, sweet chicken.
Chicken? Yeah, so y'all don't eat fish? I would assume
we
y'all.
do.
Oh, I was gonna say y'all.
What's your favorite fish? What kind of fish to eat?
That's a good question. I eat not really fish. Barracuda.
Barracuda?
It's
Barracuda.
It's great.
So, Lady gave me a shout out? Oh my god. Lady gave me a birthday shout out and I'm over here eating hot dog. We gotta put our phone up so we can't get no free stuff. With the dolphin. Boo. Boo. Whoa. No shade. What was that?
Somebody touch you. Woo! Baby! You want to salt it? Okay.
How you feeling, gang?
Oh. Real 4 season bitch. Who you know going snorkeling? Like,
You bitches at the house, we snorkeling. No
we
shade.
snorkeling, no shade.
No shade.
My
no
eyes
shade.
burned a little bit, but I did that shit. Yeah. Bitch
Check,
not doing
check,
it. Yeah.
check. Bitch.
Burn my eyes.
We leave today and we supposed to be going to the airport, but our flight not until 6 o'clock. So we was gonna go skydiving in Miami. We gotta wait. So the boat went back to Miami, and we was gonna we was gonna go skydiving in Miami because our flight not till 6. No shade. So This girl digging in her ass, no shade.
I'm digging my wedgie out, bro.
Bro, she was digging in her ass all the way, no shade. So we might have to go skydiving in Atlanta tomorrow. I'm a little bit of devil about that because I had plans on doing it today, but so I guess we're gonna walk the strip or some shit. I don't know. She talking about we gonna be the last ones off the boat, baby. Our flight's at 6 p.m. No shade. Y'all niggas don't got nowhere to go. All right, y'all. So it's the last day of my vlog. I came back from my trip on the 6th. It's the 9th, and I'm going skydiving. I'm going skydiving today. I don't know why I'm going skydiving. Not gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I had the courage a few days ago. It's not there no more, baby. It's not there no more. But I already paid $400, so why not? Why not go? So I'm bruh. This my. I'm gonna see y'all when I get there, and then I'm record the process. I have real bad anxiety, so I don't really know why I'm doing stuff like this. But YOLO, man, you gotta live life one way or another. You can't live your life in fear. There's plenty of sea out there. Get up and go do it. Why not? If I die, I die. Shit. Y'all can't even see the plane. It's all the way up there. I'm scared. I gotta sign. I gotta fill out the waiver first. Scroll down to read. Now let me read this. Dead ass. I'm aware that they are inherently dangerous and may result in injury or death. I beg your pardon.
Probably it's like 3:30ish, and it's like 20 knots and everything, and I want to say it was like either close to 10 knots or just under on the ground. Okay. Yeah. So. All right. So zip that up, and then we're just gonna have you turn around and step into this. There you go. Perfect. Put it over your shoulders like a backpack. And then I'm gonna tighten everything up for us, all right? Now, when we get to the doorway, all you're gonna have to do for me is grab onto that harness like a backpack. So those two straps coming over. Yep.
These two hold this.
So not the actual loose strap. So once we do it, they'll be kind of like these little keepers will be down. So it's just gonna be one strap. There you go. Just grab on. The door's on the right hand side of the plane. So once you hold on, I'm just gonna kind of carry you over there. You're gonna get your feet upside up on the edge and crouch down nice and low. Harley's gonna be hanging on the outside of the plane, smiling at you. So just look right back at her. Ready, set, skydive. We're gonna jump out. I don't need you to push off or anything like that. Just kind of relax everything and let's just fall out of it, all right? Once we're outside, the only thing I need from you really is for your legs to go back between the legs, okay? And then a few seconds later when I tap you, you can let go if you want to. Yeah. First couple seconds are really weird. I'll give you that because you're jumping out of the plane. It's crazy. But it doesn't feel like a roller coaster. It doesn't give you that same sort of like falling sensation you would imagine. Mm-hmm. So after about 3 or 4 seconds, you just kind of like, okay, cool, we're here. And there's Carly right out in front of us. Smile. If you don't want to let go, you don't have to, but you can still kind of like wave and give little hand signs if you want to while your right hands are there. And just have fun with it, all right?
Okay.
She's going to go back on.
How long does it take?
So it's going to be about 10, 12 minutes to get up, about 4 or 5 minutes to get back down. So about a minute of falling and about 4 minutes under the parachute is about average.
I should have peed.
My girl, happy birthday.
Thank you.
23?
Yeah.
Cute. I love it. 2 big numbers coming at you. 14,000 feet and 120 miles an hour. How you feeling?
Scared.
Scared?
Terrified.
I think that fear will change right into joy, my girl. I can't wait to see you fly.
All my soldiers over there in Iraq. Everybody right here. What you need to do is be thankful for the life you got, you know what I'm saying? Stop looking at what you ain't got. Start being thankful for what you do got. Let's get it to him, baby girl. Hey. That's right.
Fancy clothes, fancy cars, and then you see they're gonna go far, 'cause everyone knows who you are. So live your life.
I would literally never jump out no freaking airplane ever the freak again. This goes to show, keep God in your life, man. Keep God in your life. Have fun, live life. Stop worrying about a check. Stop worrying about some money. Just live your life, gang. Just live your life. Give your life to God and have fun. I had a very fun birthday. Like, I done tried some new things. I was scared to get on the cruise. I got on the cruise, scared to skydive. I'm scared of heights, and I went skydiving, gang. I'm still here. Still here. God wants you to know some things were meant to be. So give me your best and leave the rest to me.